Shayla Northcutt here, and we are Girls Trip Disney! Yay, 2024! But we're in the Lion King suite, so I'm super excited. I'm going to show you all around, okay? Ready? Come on, let's go. Now, to our right over here, we have the first bathroom. Yes, that's what I said, first bathroom. That is one of two. So we have a full vanity sink here, toilet, and a shower with a bathtub. Hey, no hiding kids right here, because you know what? It's a girls trip. All right, here we go. Now, we have our big living space. This is so much fun. What I really like about this is we have a full refrigerator here. It is not stocked yet, but we will get it that way. Working sink, microwave, and they do supply plates and cups and silverware for if you want to bring pizzas back or whatever from the quick service meal up there. And then we have our little Cuisinart coffee maker for all you coffee drinkers. You'll know I am not, but that's fine. And there we have, oh, we've already had our beautiful decorations from our great friend Melissa that is with us for our girls trip. Now this actually does fold out into a bed, which is really, really cool because you have two kids that can sleep on here as well, or an adult or two adults, no judging. So you have these wonderful little seats that are super fun, and then drawers. A lot of space in here, so much space. Full TV in here, chargers upgraded, so you have your USB and your regular chargers. That is key for charging all of your items. You have to have all of your stuff when you come to Disney. Extra pillows and blanket, and another hanging space for more closet. Now let's go into right here. Here's our dining space. Now you want to sit around and have a nice dinner with the girls or the family. We are sure going to be drinking wine around this table sometime, guaranteed. All right, let's go in here to the master bedroom. Here we have really nice, very comfortable bed and our TV and extra charging stations over there. Behind that door, you'll see we have a safe, extra pillow and blanket, and closet area as well. So that's really nice. And here we have charging stations in the lamps as well. So by your bedside, plenty of storage and more storage here for your drawers. Now, here's the key that I always tell people. I am a boy mom, but this is a girls trip, right? There's 4 girls trying to get ready in the morning, trying to look cute for our Disney day. There's 2 bathrooms. This is our other bathroom. Stand up full shower, which is really nice. Extra vanity, toilet, so it just makes it so much nicer when we're here on this trip. Now, last but not least, let me show you. This has now been converted into another bed for those other girls trip to sleep on, or of course families. So this is one of my favorite resorts to stay at, and this Lion King suite is fabulous.